3 reasons you should do a baking soda colon cleanse. Hi, I'm Sam and I really know the feeling of a bad digestion due to a sluggish colon, which results in low energy, headaches and an overall uncomfortable feeling in the body. And like you, most of the stuff about colon cleanse I've tried didn't really work well for me. But it wasn't until I followed the 3 reasons for a baking soda colon cleanse and turned them into habits that I started seeing fast improvements with my colon health. Are you ready for them? Here we go. Benefit number 1. Neutralizes acidic juices. One of the main reasons for constipation is the toxins in the intestinal area, including bowel and colon. Baking soda, or also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a common home remedy when it comes to colon cleansing. The acidic digestive juices can increase in amount and cause acidity. The acid reflux, often called GERD, can cause a lot of digestive problems including constipation. When this happens, it can cause a huge impact on your overall lifestyle. But a simple baking soda solution can help you to release the level of acidity and the toxins from your digestive system. That's because of the alkaline composition in the baking soda, which can neutralize the acidic digestive juices. Also, it can help to restore the pH balance in the intestine or stomach. This can effectively remove the excess level of acidity as a treatment for illness. Benefit number 2. Clears the bowel. Baking soda has definitely helped me a lot to cleanse my colon and fight against constipation. I often used to face digestive problems and constipation due to the toxin deposition in my bowel and colon. Since it has helped me in my everyday life, it's quite evident that this will help you too. When you mix a small amount of baking soda with the water and salt, it can help you to clear the bowel. This is done by the method of osmosis. When this solution enters into the guts, the water is pulled into the intestine. Thus, it not only softens the stool, but also increases the volume of the stool. It's common to face problems and irritation due to the bulky stools blocking your colon. If you're facing the same, the baking soda and water solution can help you to loosen the stools and get rid of it. With the help of this method, your colon and bowel gets entirely cleansed. There will be no toxins and hard stools in the intestine causing difficulty in cleaning. This has really helped me a lot and you should try it as well. Benefit number 3. Releases excess air. Another reason why you must try baking soda for cleansing your colon is to release the excess air, so it can relieve the gas that's in your intestine and solve the stomachache or bloating. When there is excess air in the intestinal area, you may feel a pain and pressure in the digestive tract. This can also lead to constipation problems. There are many scientific data and researches that by using baking soda you can release the excess air from the digestive tract, forcing the air blockage out from your system. So it allows the stool to pass easily and smoothly without any pressure or pain. Even this can prevent any kind of smell while cleansing the colon. Also, it's a completely natural ingredient which doesn't contain any kind of chemicals or harsh elements that can be dangerous for you. This can seriously have a great impact in your everyday lifestyle. There you have it. Work all 3 of those into your daily routine and within a week or 2 you will notice significant changes in your colon health. But usually something more powerful is required to colon cleanse faster and without preparation of special meals and drinks during your busy days. Luckily, there are some other all-natural but high-powered home treatments out there that can improve your colon health fast and easy. To learn more about a powerful colon cleanse treatment called Bowel Colon Control that works fast and super easy from home, just go to coloncleansehelper.com/easy or click on the link in the video description below. By the way, this is just a testimonial from Amber, who is regularly using Bowel Colon Control. Just have a quick look what she has to say about her results.
My bowels were so unpredictable. I started fearing just going outside my front door, which is a little constraining. But with colon control, my bowels have been completely normalized.
So as you can see, Bowel works great for Amber and many other people. So again, you can get Bowel in the link below or go to coloncleansehelper.com/easy. Type that in or click the link in the video description below. My name is Sam and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can find any video I release whenever I release them. Also, watch one of my other videos to improve your colon health. Share this video with your friends and comments below if you have any questions for me. I'm happy to help. I'll see you in the next video.